If you're bored with the same old car stereo boot logo, this is the video for you. I'll show you step by step how to change it and give your system a fresh, customized look. Stay tuned and stay with SetNFix. First, go to your system settings. From there, select About Device. Inside, you'll see options like Update, Wireless Update, and more. What we're looking for is Local Update. Next, prepare a USB drive with your customized boot logo image file. Plug the USB cable into your car stereo system and then connect the USB drive. Once connected, the system will automatically detect the file. Now, select Upgrade Now. The system will begin updating, and after the process is complete, restart your car stereo. When it boots up again, you'll see your brand new customized logo on the screen. It's that simple. The best part is that you can use almost any image you like as your boot logo, whether it's a car brand emblem, a personal design, or something unique. The choice is yours. The new logo really gives your system a personalized and attractive look. Let's try it again with a different image so you can see the process one more time. Go back into Settings, open About Device, then choose Local Update. Insert your USB drive with the new logo file, and once the device detects it, click Update Now. After the update, restart your car stereo using the RST pin hold button. As the system reboots, your second customized boot logo will appear right on the screen. This method allows you to change your car stereo boot logo anytime you want. You can swap logos for different moods, seasons, or styles. It's completely up to you. In the next part, I'll also show you how to create your own boot logo image so it fits perfectly with your system. Now that we know how to update the car stereo, let's talk about creating the customized boot logo image. For this, the best tool to use is Adobe Photoshop. Open Photoshop and start by creating a new file. Make sure to adjust the image settings according to your car stereo's screen resolution so the logo displays perfectly without distortion. Once the file is ready, place the image you want to use as your boot logo. This could be a car brand logo, a custom design, or even a personal photo. It's completely up to you. Now go ahead and edit the image as you wish. You can resize it, adjust the colors, add text, or enhance it with effects until it looks exactly the way you want. When you've finished editing, it's very important to save the file correctly. The file name must be zxdzlogo and the format should be PNG. This is the only way the car stereo will recognize your customized boot logo. Once saved, your logo file is ready to be transferred to a USB drive and installed on your car stereo, just like I showed you earlier. And that's it. You've successfully created your very own personalized boot logo. Stay tuned, and trust me, once you see your custom logo on the screen, it makes a big difference. Stay with SetNFix.